Hello all, welcome today to a short piece on Hoverdale's new patented technology. I'm Matt Beverley, Managing Director of Hoverdale. It's just a short piece today inside the studio environment so you can see the inner workings and the mechanics of this system. Normally these systems are designed to go into waste plants, mining, quarrying, so it's very hard to actually demonstrate and show you the detail of this system. There will be footage following of these actually in action over the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned. This is a primary cleaner, so this means it goes on the headroom of the conveyor, usually to 15 to 25 degrees off the headroom. It's fitted with a PU blade. This is a black blade. This colour denotes that this is for biofuel, and is a special composition that Hoverdale have developed to not react with biofuel applications. So, problems that we found within the industries, especially waste, you get lots of blockages, the blades wear, the systems become ineffective. So how do we keep the systems effective and easy to maintain, reducing downtime? So it's just a quick demonstration of how we've approached that. So system at the moment is engaged. The blade is on the drum of the conveyor. Very simply, remove the safety pin. Insert there, anti-clockwise turn, 1 revolution, drops at 50 millimeters, slide the block out the way, take the pin out, and you can now see the blade completely disengaged from the conveyor with the ability to drop fully 180 degrees for ease of blade change, which is done via 2 quick release pins or removing blockages from the blade. No tools required, no risk of leaving any tools on the conveyor. To reinsert, so re-engage the pressure, move the blade back onto the drum, put the safety pin in. This stops the blade dropping away. There's no hands now, it's locked in a safe position. Slide the block back into position, remove the safety pin, re-engage, and then simply 1 revolution, 50 millimeters clockwise, applies the pressure, locked off. Very simple. This is now back into operation. On my next piece, I'll show you the inner workings in more detail. Okay, so we've now removed the front cover, so we can really get into the nuts and bolts of the system, why the system is so clever and so simple to use. So if you remember back to the first piece, there's a safety pin here that holds this arm up. Once that safety pin is in place via the front cover, it's a simple case of taking the pressure off. See how easy that slides down with this helix design. Slide out the way, and very simply you now have the ability to remove a blockage from the blade. So again, to re-engage onto blade, slide up to the stop, reapply the pressure, 1 revolution of 50 millimeters. The system is now engaged, so literally under 30 seconds to disengage and re-engage. Obviously depending on how complex or how much of a blockage, which will affect the time, but you can see no tools required, safe to do. We have had some customers that will back this off with the conveyor running. That is possible. Most will obviously stop the conveyor, back off the blade, clean and re-engage. Just to talk through this concept here, this is the bit that's patented. So we have a helix stainless steel block, and we have a power ram technology. As you can see, this power ram goes up and down. So you can imagine the blade working. As the blade wears, this self-adjusts. No need for any adjustment through the life of the blade, because this will travel 50 millimeters. So as the blade wears, this arm moves up and the ram can move with it. Not only will it move when the blade wears, any deflections in the blade, this ram here will also move up and down the cylinder, protecting not only the cleaner system but also the conveyor and the conveyor belt. Again, very quickly, pull the pin out, take the pressure off, slide out the way, blade off. Okay, Blade then can be removed with 2 quick release pins here and put back in again with no need for any tools. Re-engage the blade, slide it back on, apply the pressure. Done. No other technology on the market at the moment can offer auto adjust and quick release with no tools.